Okay, so we're going to start with a grapevine wreath. It's a little bit messy and the shape is off, but I can go ahead and take this wire and make it more into a circle. I just want a white base here, so I'm adding in some white peonies to start. Add in some white mums and fill it out a little bit. I'm spreading out the green leaves as well. We don't want them concentrated all in one area. Now let's add some colors. I'm going to use some peach, some dark purple, and a really pretty wine red. Okay, so let's make a bow. I left this part of the video at regular speed so y'all can see me make the entire bow. I immediately leave enough ribbon for a tail. Then I'm going to pinch it where I want that tail to begin and then make a loop. Pinch that in the middle again and twist the ribbon so that the front of the ribbon stays on the front of the bow. Now I make sure to get a really good twist down at the base. That way everything will lay correctly and there won't be any folds halfway up my loops. Now I'm going to eyeball it with the loop size. I'm going to loop it again and then repeat this until I have the amount of loops that I want. I'm going to add another bow on top of this white one. I just need to remember to leave enough length at the end to make that other tail. I pinch it in the middle and wrap a long wire around it tightly. It needs to be long enough to hold the entire bow onto the grapevine wreath. Gotta dovetail those ends. I cannot tell you how many times I have forgotten completely or only did one. I think I just get so excited when they come out looking pretty that I just forget. I'm going to do the same thing with the second ribbon and make the loop a little bit smaller. I cut a piece of wire long enough that I can wrap it around the back of the white bow and hold both of them together. Let's fix that last tail. Wire the two bows together. We're going to fluff a little here. The more you fluff a bow, the better they will look. I need a small piece of ribbon to cover up the ugly wire. I'm going to fold it into 3 ways, and then I'm going to glue each fold down as I go. It just makes any bow look better. So I need to figure out my placement here. And when I do, I'm going to use that long wire and attach it to the wreath. Last little bit of fluffing. There's never too much. And here's the finished wreath. The mix of colors really pull everything together. And honestly, this turned out better than I expected. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.